Today we're going to be replacing the 12-year-old battery on this 1999 Mercedes-Benz SL500. After opening the trunk, use a 13mm socket to loosen the flange nut on the mounting plate. Using that same 13mm socket, remove the negative terminal connector, setting it aside so as not to accidentally make contact with the terminal. Now the positive side is wedged in, so lift up the end to obtain a better angle for loosening the nut. With the connectors free, remove the battery. After fully charging this battery, I let it sit unplugged overnight. Hooking it up to the multimeter in the morning reveals that it couldn't maintain the charge. Now typically you'd like to see a number that's greater than about 12.4 volts. Now ideally you're going to want to get an AGM battery or absorbent glass mat battery. Regarding group size, I've seen it classified as both an E49 and an H8. Either will fit. Because that positive terminal is in such a difficult position, let's reconnect it first. And really the trickiest part is this retaining plate. Position it so the grooves face down and the lips overlap the battery's foot processes before bolting it in place. Verifying that the battery is secure, we can now attach the negative terminal. As a safety feature, the windows will roll partway down, so don't let that alarm you. You'll need to reset them, so after starting the vehicle, hold down the window down buttons until they're completely rolled down, and then for another 3 more seconds or so.